सगळे पुरोवन स्टार्ट केलेले आहा. गव्हर्मेंटाक थ्रू NGT सगळे डिपार्टमेंट्सांक ऑर्डर येयलेले आहा टील एन एक्शन प्लॅन इज डन टू सेव द वेटलँड्स, टू सेव द वॉटर बॉडीज हें काम स्टार्ट करचें न्ही म्हूण. 10 तारखेर आतां नोव्हेंबराचेर केस आहा, हियरींग आहा NGT, बट ते पेंडींग आसतना गव्हर्मेंटान PWDन हें काम स्टार्ट केलां. दे आर जस्ट ट्रायंग टू आयवॉश. लोकांक फटोवपा सोदता की हिंगा हाटमंड्स घालता, झोपड्यो घालपा वो ते पळय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आहा तेजें काम तेजे मनशान दवरपा लागून. बट मनशान दवरपा लागून इतली एरिया कवर करपा नाका. आमी मागलेलो आहा हिंगा अंडरपास जाय म्हूण. अंडरपास आसा तो ब्रिज येवपा जायो, जाल्यार हिंगा हें पुरोवन कसलो फायदो. वायट हॅज टू बी रिक्लेम्ड. हेज्या फुडेंय मुखारूय आहा थिंगा सगळे कडेन अंडरपास येता. गव्हर्मेंटान अजून पासून फायनल प्लॅन दिल्लो ना टू द NGT हाव दे आर गोइंग टू सेव. आनी हे सपोज हे भाशेन पुराय मुखार वयले सेरावलीचो गांव जे सगळे लोक आयज हिंगा मंगुलचे गांव हे लोक भायर सरल्या सांबाळपाक आपलो गांव. वी आर हियर नॉट टू स्टॉप द वेस्टर्न बायपास. कोण म्हणना आमकां नाका म्हूण. ऑलरेडी तुमी पळयलां पाड घालून कंप्लीट केलोलें आहा आनी उरलें तें पाड करपा सोदता. सो आमी मागता हिंगा स्टिल्ट्सांचेर जाय म्हूण. स्टिल्ट्स इज द ओनली ऑप्शन. All these villages, not only Mungul, Serauli, but even Margaon will be affected. Tehi salvar jatle. I request Rodney from Serauli also to explain what the Gram Sabha and they as villagers have done to demand for stilts.
I am Rodney Almeida from Serauli. Right from 2007, while making a regional plan, आम्ही सांगलेलं त्यांना सरकाराक की have this western bypass on stilts. So we took a resolution that time, and year after year we have been taking resolutions to see that this bypass comes on stilts. And it was very, very important because our village is going to be submerged. We have seen year after year the water reaching the top, going over the road, but we don't know a time will come and it will be completely isolated, I think. Somehow the government doesn't seem to understand the situation. Or they understand, but the last time when we met them, we confronted them, they said we don't have enough funds. So they have money for everything else but for what is actually required by the villagers. So I honestly hope that the government will now rise up, knowing that the situation is very critical, that we should have it on stilts from here to Bedauli. Thank you.
जाता आनी हो जावपा जाय, आमगे कांय ऑब्जेक्शन ना. बट प्रॉब्लम फकत हिंगा एक कुसार हिंगा हे भाशेन तर माती घान हे भाशेन तर रोड करूंक गेले न्हू जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम जातलो आमकां गांवांक. कित्याक हो रोड एक्चुली पिलरांचेर करपा जाय आनी एका पिलरांचेर रोड केले जाय सकयल्यान उदक आपणागे सदां पड केश कोन आसता तेश कोन उरतलें. आनी मात घान कोल जाय तूं हिंगा सगळे आमगेले माडेल, मुंगूल, सेरावली आनी आमगे ओल्ड मार्केट आख्खें भोंवतलें. सो तेका लागून मागोता आमगे गोंयच्या गोवोरमेंटा कडेन मातशें सोजमिकायेन हे मातशें हिंग येवपाचें, हेजेर मातशें एक्शन घेवपाचें आनी आमगे गांवच्या केश कोन जाय तेश कोन हें मातशें आमकां कोन्न दिवपाचें. कित्याक फाल्यां आमकां हो रोड जालो आनी मागीर आमकां त्रास काडपा नाकाय. मागीर आम कोण आनी खंय शिफ्ट करतले, आमकां हिंगा काण व्हरून आनी खंय स्टेडियमान दवरतले उदक बोल म्हूण, मागीर आनी एक्स्ट्रा ते स्पेस. सो तो हितू ते स्पेस जायना जावपा. हें पयलीं आमकां मातशें जाय तेश कोन कोण दियाय कित्याक लोकांक त्रास जायना जावपाक. दुसरें हिंगा आमगेले हे रोडा जायतीं शेतां आहाय. आतां तेणी पावस उणी जालें म्हणटकीर शेत रोयलोली. आतां ती म्हाका सोता हें तर पिलरांचेर तो रोड कोना जाल्यार म्हाका सोता हिंगा शेतांय बीन भोंवतलीं मागीर आनी हे कोण शेत रोयताय तांकां शेतूय रोवपा मेळपाना. सो सगळ्यांक त्रास जातले. सो तेका लागून आमगे गोंयच्या सीएमाक मागोता मातशें हेजेर एक एक्शन घे आनी आमकां गांवच्या जाय तेश कोन मातशें कोन्न दिचें.
Demand is only one. The western bypass has to be on stilts. Yes, there were so many successive PWD ministers. Mr. Pavaskarakui आमी appeal केल्लो आहा. His department is also party to the NGT petition, where the NGT has directed to work out a sustainable plan, sustainable development करपाक. आनी काल आमी एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स पळयलो, तितून आमच्या बाणावलेच्या आमदारान सांगलां की आनी कांय जावपा ना, इलेक्शना फाटल्यान जातलें म्हणून. वी आर नॉट वेटिंग फॉर इलेक्शन्स. वी वॉन्ट द ड्रॉइंग्स टू बी डन, द प्लॅन्स टू बी रिवर्क. डोंट कीप अस विथ द होप that after elections things will change or they will come with the same plan and आमकां बुडोवन मारतले. तोय PWD मिनिस्टर आहलो. एक विचार करपा जाय When he was a PWD minister, he has built bridges, he said in his public meetings. Why couldn't he do in his capacity as a PWD minister the Western bypass on stilts? Kalson Aita project. This was done much years ago. 93 असताना तो MLA असताना हिंग acquisition झाले. So he is fully aware. Alignments change झाले हा because of his interest. We want him to reply. We want him to tell us during his term as an MLA, acquisitions were done, plans were proposed, and during his term as the minister, why he failed to put the Western bypass on stilts when people of Benauli, Serauli, Mongol all were demanding it has to be on stilts. He needs to answer to the people of Goa. गोंयांत दुसरे कडेन ब्रिजीस घातले बट आपणार गांव आतां बुडोवन मारपाक सोदता.
हांव सांग जोखीम डिसोजा आनी आमी शेत रोयताले पयलीं काणगां आमी रोयताले पूण आतां हो रस्तो येयले आमगे घरा शेड येता. आतां आमी थोडी जाता आमकां आतां आमी एज वाडोता आनी इतलें न्हू शेत रोयताले म्हणजे भाव शेत रोयतालो बोटीचे थंय येवन पूण आतां शेत रोवपा बंद केलां कित्याक रोयता शेतांत उरता ताम मातें रोंपे मातायता थिंगा कुसोन पेडे जाता. अशें करून हे भाशेन जालें जाल्यार हेजे मुखार आनी गोंयकारां आमकां हे विलेजीन लोकां कांय बरें पड आसपाना आनी तें जाता जाल्यार CMान आमकां वाटावचे हितूंतले आनी स्टील म्हणटा वो हांबे पिलर कितें घालपा ते करून दिचे आनी लोकांक हे हितूंतल्यान सांबाळचे. जोखीम डिसोजा.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
New alignment that MLA has announced that what do you have to say about that?
Has he shown us the plans? We are not aware what he is talking about. So if it's a new alignment, then he is responsible to put it before the departments. Because I am not an authority. We have just mentioned, or meaning what our demand is, the entire alignment as it is has to be on stilts. We are not talking about that. Is his concern. Let him fight that battle. Our battle is saving the environment. We want to save the environment because if today it has rained, this is because of global warming. This is because of climate change. Where if we see the fields down, they are all the wetlands. They are the carbon sinks. Carbon generates in the environment is absorbed by the carbon sinks. I am a climate reality leader, and through that, not because I am an activist or a sarpanch, I have done this training. And I feel it's my moral responsibility to fight for this. Ato damar kadakach inga ani absorb zatvi kite. It will be only emitting heat, and that's how you will get showers of rains throughout the year. The amount of diseases which will be coming up in the years to come, we do not know. So not only flooding, not only destruction of agriculture, not only destruction of biodiversity, it's the livelihood of the people. Yes, climate change is the main issue I am fighting for. In my letters to the biodiversity board, I have time and again said we want sustainable development because climate change is not of the future. Climate change is now, and you are experiencing it.
The plan that he has said will not change anything. The demands.
We do not know what is the plan. Has he put it before the people? Or has he submitted to the government? They should put it. No, we do not want to discuss about his plans. We are only stuck with one point agenda.
Just an election gimmick.
Stilts is the only thing, and we do not want to wait for elections. What would change after the elections? Only the MLA would change. What we want is that the design of this road has to change now, and that's what we have been demanding even at the NGT.
And we cannot work on this road because there is no order from the High Court. High Court order is they have used for some other place. They have applied over here and they have started feeding this. So this has to stop.
I have intervened even in the High Court. In the 2015 petition regarding the Suomuda petition, I have intervened there. The contractor who has been awarded this MVR is not yet party to this petition. So then only will he act. So how has he acted? How has he started with the reclamation here? It seems to be contempt of court. We have our legal expert, Siola here, who is also an environmentalist and takes up legal matters. And she has also been guiding us, especially the Serauli Mongol people here.
The message that I have over here is that we have a right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution. This is the highest law in the land. And as per Article 21, even the courts have espoused this and they have extended the meaning to include right to life in human dignity, not just breathe in and breathe out oxygen. Right to life also includes right to a clean environment and to a healthy environment. So this, in fact, this matter comes under that kind of right to life, under for a clean environment and a healthy environment. As Royla has said also, we want this road to come up. We want this road to come up. We only want the road to come up on stilts. That technology is possible and it must be implemented. There is no point in acquisition of these kind of precious lands. They are the ones that will be there for our future generations, and we are already the future. So I don't know, I don't understand why our governments are acting in such a manner which is so backward, including things like coal, transport, etc. Very recently now, just 3 days ago, there was a climate summit, and world leaders have said that they are going to resolve to reduce coal. We are going to go to renewable energy. In our textbooks in school, we used to learn in the second standard. But now we are here and it is still not happening. We are pushing for coal instead of pushing back. So this is the thing that is required the most. So when you all also are going to ask your MLAs, ask your government, you pose this question. Why should we go for coal when the whole world is turning away from coal? This is what is required now, and as far as this road is concerned, I think the consensus of the people is there. The crowd here as is showing, consensus of the people is there that we must use new technology and we must build it on stilts.